In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can use a VPN on any iPhone. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to my settings, right? And then what you want to do is head down over to general. And if you scroll down and see the option for VPN and device management, if we select this, now if we click on VPN at the top and then go to add VPN configuration, if you have got a manual VPN configuration, you will then be able to add this in here and connect that way. But the majority of people don't actually have this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the most reliable free VPN that you can use on your iPhone. So if we go ahead and click on VPN, right? If we're on this page, click on VPN, you will now see I have got on VPN right here. So to get this, what we can do is we can go all the way back, go to our app store, and then we will then be able to search for VPNify. Now once we search for VPNify, you want to go to the top search result right here, download and install this, and then you will then be able to open it. And then once we open it, you will then be able to select connect. Now with VPNify, you will be able to use this for 24 hours. And then after the 24 hours are up, you will then enter in a cooldown period. And then once the cooldown period does finish, you will then be able to use it for another further 24 hours and then so on and so forth. So what you want to do is you want to click on connect. You will then be served with a advertisement. It will only last a couple of seconds. So once the ad has played through, what you will then see if we cross this off is that our VPN is now connected to whatever server you wish. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can use a VPN on any iPhone in 2024.